Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Pride. This one is the Explorer 3.3 hybrid engine. Today I'm going to show how to replace the serpentine belt. It has a unique design, belt tensioner, and a water pump crank pulley, and a generator right here, and also two idler, and then alternator tensioner is a unique design, and then AC compressor is electric type. This one is the unique belt tensioner. It's a double tension type. At the bottom pulley is pushed up, and the top side pushed down. It's all the time tension to the belt. A quick release belt tensioner. There's two rocking pin type, and the case rocking pin hole right here, and then another top side belt tension rocking pin right here. So using the suitable pin, or I'm using sometimes a rivet. And then I'm working on this one, so remove engine belt, and then I try to first 15mm attach the socket to the tensioner, and up and down, even lift up and it goes down. I cannot remove the belt because it's still tension on it. So I found in the workshop manual there's a two locking pin hole, and then first we should rocking a case locking pin hole. You guys attach the 15mm socket and up and down tensioner, and then align that. You can see that locking pin hole right here, and then align the locking pin, and then attach the suitable pin using the rivet. So I rock the case locking pin is now. You can see that rocking case locking pin hole through the case or backing plate locking hole, aligned and locking. And then using the this tension of 15mm tensioner up and down. Next, when the tensioner rocking, I'm gonna show there's this align the locking pin hole, and then up and down, you guys, and align the locking pin hole, and then rocking this one. Also same, I'm using this rivet and locking this locking pin hole. I rocked the two pin hole using the rivet. You guys can use any type of nail or screwdriver, anything. And then I rock the two pin hole, and I make sure all rocking it correctly. And then finally I got that belt out now. So when you replace the belt and then install the belt again, in the same way, first put the belt on the pulley and route this here, and then remove the pin. Thank you for watching.